Hey, hello. Okay. Let's see. This is a new video. So it's been about 5 months since I posted the last one. Um, been busy with a project at work. Been taking up some time. Okay. But also been playing with some stuff part time and I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do about it video wise. So we're just gonna quickly run through some stuff that I've been busy with that I just mentioned. So let's see. So I started using NX at home to try and organize all my projects into one big mono repo so that I can write libraries and things like that to reuse them rather than trying some weird stuff with npm package management like publishing things. So we're just going to quickly run through that. So this is like an NX workspace. So you'll see under the libs I've got like the form builder stuff that I did last time. There's some UI things. So the UI things is more like just a miscellaneous place that I put things. So if I watch videos on like things like Tailwind, I'll I'll follow along the tutorial, build it myself, then I'll put it in here, and then I can either reference it or just straight up use it in like whatever project I would want to use it. The form builder stuff that I showed off last time is over here, and then some apps that end up using some of the libs. So this is just the blog written Next.js. This is like end-to-end testing stuff that NX adds that I'm not using. CV is like just a thought I had around like a Remix framework app that's completely client side and that stores the CV in like local storage. Um, Dad jokes. That's a tutorial for Remix. Darts is like a Next.js project thing I was started. This is like a rewrite in Remix, end-to-end stuff that I'm not using again. Dot workers not using. So this was just an attempt to have like Lambda functions that run off an SQSQ in the background with Next.js as the front end, but I found that a bit painful to do, so that's why I ended up doing the rewrite into Remix. More end-to-end stuff I'm not using. This is just trying to get Laravel into NX Story app, me playing around with like a Story app. So what this specific one does, it just tries to generate like color palettes for Tailwind. And again, end-to-end stuff I'm not using. You also see that the UI stuff it's got these stories because it's using storybooks. So basically, just using storybooks is kind of like a way to showcase all the different UI components that are built. And that means I can also test like states because you can have different stories with different states for things like button hovers and button active and checkboxes that are checked or not checked. Yeah, so what I'm going to try and do now with the next, if I try to make a video again, is I want to get this blog into Remix again. What I'm probably going to do is I'm going to try and end up live streaming. Like you can see with the border, I'm actually now using Fedora 36 at the moment for these videos, and Wayland and Alacrity doesn't have like the title bar stuff that it has in X because they'll still have to write those sort of things for Wayland. Yeah, that's kind of what probably the next videos. I'm gonna probably end up trying to live stream this stuff on Twitch just to see what it's like, and then maybe live stream one or two things on YouTube that's different. Like try to just maybe build out a UI component like buttons and stuff using I think Adobe's React tools. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, so I think join me at Twitch for live stream. Cheers.